Hey guys, Luis Medina here, your Texas Realtor. I'm out here in Kingwood. It's about 7 a.m. Got this beautiful house for sale. It's been completely renovated. New paint, fresh floor, new floors, everything's brand new. Let me switch it better. There goes the house. Really beautiful in a very popular Kingwood neighborhood. The address for this house is 2402 River Village in Kingwood, Texas. It is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It is 2186 square feet, and it is on a 10,000 square foot lot. So there's plenty of elbow room to do lots of activities in the yard. Once again, lots of trees. You're in Kingwood, livable forest. So we're gonna go in here. Don't mind the camera equipment. Today is photo day. We're doing the photo shoot to put this house on the market. Walk over here. This is a little, could be a little office, dining area, big table. You have a lot of people coming over. Yeah, here's the kitchen, gorgeous kitchen, brand new appliances. Got the look at that countertop, amazing countertop. Look at all that veining, really gives it a lot of character here. And the island with the matching countertop. Look at that vaulted ceiling here and here. And big, huge windows here. Give you plenty of daylight coming in through the area. And check out this fireplace. Gorgeous fireplace mansion, just sitting here unwinding after a hard day of work. Once again, take a look at that kitchen. Let's go over here into the utility room, and then it goes to a half bath with the matching countertop, farmhouse sink, detached garage. Well, there's still people that prefer detached garage. So let's go out here. There's the main hall that goes to all the bedrooms. All these are closets, little closets for storage. Here's the first bedroom. Nice windows, plenty of light. Like I said, it looks a little dark because it is around 7 a.m. on a rainy Saturday here in Houston, Texas. Well, Kingwood, Texas. And then here is the half bath. There goes the matching countertop as well. Really nice house, beautiful house. Here is the third bedroom. And then take a right, go back out to the living area, the kitchen. Here is the master bath. This one has double doors, so that way you can have access to the patio, covered patio out here. And check out this beautiful bathroom. Once again, matching countertops right there. Plenty of room in here. Check out this shower. Waterfall shower head. Completely redone. Gorgeous tile. Beautiful workmanship. This is just an amazing house. So if you are thinking about making the move to Kingwood, you're looking for something that's renovated, feels new, but we all know the issues with new construction. But you know, these houses have been renovated. They're an amazing buy. This one, if you have any questions about it, give me a call, 713-884-0502, or check out my website, tophoustonhomes.com.